Founded on the 25th of December 1599, Natal, Portuguese for Christmas, is known as a sunshine city that is also home to the Brazilian NASA. We have laden our dry martini with a festive spirit that will have you shooting for the stars. Chill a liquor Nora and put to one side. Collect a mixing glass and fill with cubed ice. Add 2 bar spoons of Giffard Banana de Brazil. Corte Americano is an atomized wine made with aromatic herbs and spice infusions. Tío Pepe in Spanish means Uncle Pepe, named after one of the founder's uncles, and is a dry or fino style of sherry made with Palomino grapes. Edinburgh Christmas gin is defined by spice aromatic notes of frankincense and myrrh, plus the classic juniper. 2 drops of saline binds and brightens all of these flavors together. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds. Empty ice from the Nick and Nora. Strain. Garnish with a star anise. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.